Welcome to the first of our 5 war inventions that shaped America. We're revealing the surprising military origins of things you use every day. During World War II, the U.S. military needed a strong, waterproof tape to seal ammunition boxes in humid jungle conditions. In 1942, Johnson & Johnson created a heavy-duty cloth tape with a rubber adhesive. Soldiers nicknamed it duct tape because it was waterproof, like a duck. After the war, people discovered it worked on everything from cars to home repairs. Some creative young ladies have even made prom dresses out of colored duct tape. Today, it's a $1 billion industry and an American household staple. Duct tape proves that sometimes a wartime fix becomes the ultimate household hero. Next, nylon.
In 1935, DuPont chemist Wallace Carothers invented the first fully synthetic fiber called nylon. When World War II broke out, the U.S. military took over all production for parachutes, ropes, tents, flak vests, and tire cords, replacing silk, which was scarce. When the war ended in 1945, factories released nylon to civilians. The Nylon Riots of 1945 to 46 saw women lining up for hours to buy the first nylon stockings. In Pittsburgh, 40,000 women queued up for 13,000 pairs, which led to fights breaking out. Today, it's in clothing, carpets, ropes, and countless everyday products. Nylon proves that sometimes a wartime material becomes the fabric of modern American life. Next, WD-40.
In 1953, the Rocket Chemical Company in San Diego developed a rust-preventing spray for the U.S. military's Atlas missiles during the Cold War. It took 40 attempts to create the perfect water-displacing formula that protected the missile's delicate outer skin. Once the military started using it, workers noticed it fixed squeaks, loosened bolts, and prevented corrosion on all kinds of equipment. It hit store shelves in 1958 and quickly became a must-have in garages, workshops, and toolboxes across America. WD-40 proves that sometimes a military missile spray becomes the go-to fix for everyday problems. Next, Velcro.
In 1941, Swiss engineer George de Mestral was walking in the Alps when cockleburrs stuck to his pants in dog's fur. Examining them under a microscope, he saw tiny hooks and loops. He spent years perfecting the idea for military use. The U.S. Army wanted a fastener that could replace zippers and buttons on soldiers' uniforms and equipment. Velcro hit the consumer market in the 1950s and quickly appeared on shoes, jackets, and spacesuits. Velcro proves that sometimes a walk in the woods in wartime needs create the world's most useful fastener. Next, canned food.
In 1810, British inventor Peter Durand patented the tin can to help Napoleon's army carry preserved food on long campaigns. The U.S. military quickly adopted it for soldiers. During the Civil War, canned food kept Union troops fed far from supply lines. After the war, it moved into American homes and grocery stores, revolutionizing how the nation stored and transported food. Canned food proves that sometimes feeding an army ends up feeding an entire country for generations. That's our final story. Fight for more knowledge. Subscribe to Short Bites of History.